was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break my glass, then this life's gonna end.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on this.
What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So the Galaxy Z Fold has been my daily driver since 2019. Look, going from the Galaxy Z Fold 1 and now having the Galaxy Z Fold 3, I've seen some big improvements and some setbacks going from the Z Fold 1 all the way to the Z Fold 3. But now, since we're in 2022, I'm excited to see what Samsung has in store for the new Galaxy Z Fold 4. I'm seeing a bunch of rumors and a lot of things that's coming out about the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let me give you my thoughts about it. Let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go.
Take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing.
What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the Galaxy Z Fold 3 has been a fantastic device. It almost does everything that I needed to do, but there are some shortcomings. And look, I hope that the new Galaxy Z Fold 4 will fix it. There's a bunch of rumors coming out about the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but I want to give you 5 things on my wish list. 5 things that I want to see Samsung do to the new Galaxy Z Fold 4. So let me give you my list here. Let's go. So coming in at number 1 is battery life. Me and a lot of other people biggest complaints about the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the subpar battery life that's only 4,400 milliamps, which is not enough to power 2 displays at 120 hertz. Look, the main display and the inner display, it's just not enough at 4,400 milliamps. So hopefully Samsung will put a 55 or above or even 6,000 milliamp battery. But look, we're hearing rumors that we're going to have either the same amount of battery life or even lesser battery life on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, which is not great news. I really hope that is not true. I really hope that Samsung will knock it out the park when it comes down to battery life. I hope Samsung is not relying on software to save battery life. Look, in 2022, why are we even having battery issues in the first place? Why are we even having battery issues in 2022? Look, hopefully Samsung would not put subpar battery life in the Galaxy Z Fold 4, but that's on my wish list, and that's number 1. Top priority for Samsung right now is to give us better battery life on the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Coming in at number 2 is S Pen support. We already heard that this device will have a pen inside of the device. But the crazy part about it is that the current device doesn't support S Pen on the outer screen of the device. Well, hopefully, what we would get on the Galaxy Z Fold 4 with the S Pen that's inside of the device will support the outer display. Because I don't understand why we don't have that in the first place, right? Now, if I wanted to use the pen on the outer display, we should be able to use the pen on the outer display. Now, we know again that the pen will be housed inside of the device with all the rumors that we're hearing, but at current state, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 pen, the S Pen does not support the outer display, and I don't understand why. If you want just to use the outer display to jot down some notes, even if you want to use it sideways, something like that, with the current pen and the pen support on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, you cannot use the pen on the outer display. So hopefully Samsung will fix that with the Galaxy Z Fold 4, that we have support for outer display pen support. Next on my wish list, a lighter device. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a heavy device coming in at 271 grams, which is very heavy for a phone to carry every day, all day. Look, let me put that in perspective. The Galaxy S22 Ultra weighs 228 grams, and this is a heavy device. So having the Galaxy Z Fold 3 with a screen protector in the case is definitely over 300 grams, which is really heavy to hold all day. So I hope Samsung will try to, trim the fat of the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now look, it's gonna be a hard task because now Samsung is adding S Pen support with an S Pen inside of the device with a bigger battery, hopefully with a bigger battery. And I know with the S Pen, the bigger battery is going to be heavy. So hopefully Samsung will figure that out. But at its current state, it's a very heavy device, and I hope Samsung will fix that. Next, the cameras. Every year, the Galaxy Z Fold gets the short end of the stick when it comes down to the cameras. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 rear cameras are not bad. These cameras are supposed to be the best cameras on the planet. Hopefully, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will have better cameras than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. I hope that is way better than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And the reason why is because of the cost factor. Look, don't give us no crappy in-the-display camera that we have on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. It took a step back coming from the Galaxy Z Fold 2 to the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Look, the cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is bad. There's nothing good to say about it. Look, these supposed to be the win-all, be-all cameras on the Z Fold. Come on, Samsung, stop shortchanging us with cameras on the Galaxy Z Fold product, right? Give us the best cameras on the planet when it comes down to the Z Fold 4. Stop shortchanging us, and that's on my wish list. That's coming in at number 4. Come on, Samsung. Don't shortchange us with the cameras, please. And lastly, coming in at number 5 is colors. The Z Fold 3 came out with 3 colors. Come on now. Give us more color options when it comes down to the Z Fold 4. Give us some new colors like red, blue, purple, or even a good white. Look, I would love to have a Galaxy Z Fold 4 in a fire red color if it was available. And don't give us one color or 2 colors at launch and then down the line 6 months later, give us all these beautiful colors. Give us some beautiful colors at launch. That's number 5 on my wish list. Come on, Samsung, give us some good colors. So that's 5 things that I want to see on the next Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now, we already know that the Z Fold 4 will be a powerhouse of a device when it comes down to the specs. The rumors are saying 8 Gen 1 Plus with the usual 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of internal storage, 512, probably going to get a 1 terabyte this time, right? Because we don't have no SD card support and we won't get a power brick in a box. I'm hearing that the battery probably going to be an issue. Hopefully it won't be 4400 milliamp. Hopefully they don't go down on milliamps. Hopefully Samsung won't utilize software to give us good battery life. Hopefully Samsung will go 5000, 5500 or above when it comes down to battery life. Don't rely on software. Give us a larger battery. I'm tired of hearing and I'm tired of using a device that doesn't get me through the day. Give us a better battery on the Z Fold device. I mean, at almost $2,000, I want to have a bigger battery. Tired of complaining about this, Samsung. Make it happen. So what is your wish list for the Galaxy Z Fold 4? Are you excited about it? Look, I don't see too much excitement for this device. I guess people that already have the Galaxy Z Fold 2 and the Galaxy Z Fold 3, they're happy with it and don't see that urge to upgrade. And look, I fully understand when you're paying almost $2,000 for a device, you want to hold on to it for the long haul. But what's your thoughts? This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.